everybody. Hope you're having a good day. Taking Koa to LeBauer Park to get a little energy out. He is being a monster pain in the butt so far this morning. So let's go to the park and see all the other dogs. Did you have a good time? Yeah? You tired out? You gonna go take a nap? Bailey would like that if you took a nap. All right, let's get home. We're gonna go down to Randleman, North Carolina, where they're holding the North Carolina Food Truck Championships. And at 2 o'clock today, they're gonna judge the food trucks. And the Porterhouse Burger truck is there, so fingers crossed we might get a little award. I think we're one of the best trucks in North Carolina, that's for sure. But then again, I'm kind of biased. All right, let's head down to Randleman and have some food. They also have a whole street of classic cars. Let's go check them out. Porterhouse Burger truck to make their entry for the championship competition. Eric's getting ready to fire up a burger. Time to get over to the ballpark, but I'm having my dinner tonight right there. A little Porterhouse burger with some barbecue sauce, bacon, and pepper jack cheese. That's my dinner tonight. But we gotta head back to home so I can head to the ballpark. So let's go. Back at the ballpark, getting ready for the game. It's our Kings of Comedy night. We have Walter Latham here, and he is the creator of the Kings of Comedy. He launched the careers of Cedric the Entertainer, Monique, also Bernie Mac, the late great Bernie Mac, and Steve Harvey. I can't wait to get him on the vlog. He's going to be here all night, helping me out, helping up in the press box. It is going to be an awesome night. Let's go play some baseball. I told you I was going to get him on the vlog. It's Walter Latham, the man that put together the Kings of Comedy. How'd that all come about?
I had a dream one night that I wanted to do something bigger in comedy
Okay.
than has been done before. So in the middle of the night, I came up with this name, Kings of Comedy. And then I had to figure out who I was going to put on it. And the first guy I thought about was Bernie Mac, obviously.
Obviously.
And I called Cedric the Entertainer because I had known him for a while. And I didn't know Steve Harvey, but I actually invited him because he had a show on TV.
Oh, so you're like, now I got a TV guy.
I got a TV guy, and the rest is history.
Rest is history.
Yeah.
That's it. Yeah, just had an idea.
Just like that.
Just like that, and just put it together. And it was a brilliant idea.
It ended up being brilliant. I was scared at first, though.
Brilliant idea. And then MTV hopped on, helped you.
MTV helped on, to help me make a movie because I'd never made a movie, obviously. And Spike Lee agreed to direct it, which was amazing.
Wow.
And I didn't know it was going to be as big as it was. I knew it would be big because the tour is big.
Tour is big, yeah.
But I didn't know the movie was going to do what it did.
Well,
Now,
congratulations on that huge success. See, all you have to do is follow your dreams.
That's right.
That's it. We're in a rain delay, and that means rain delay dancing. Yes, let's go dance. The game was called due to weather, but we're still shooting fireworks, so let's go check out some fireworks! Hoppers win the rain-shortened game, and that means there's still an inkling of hope that they could make the playoffs, but it's gonna take some really fun math and a lot of luck going their way to make that happen. And I did find out from Eric that the Porterhouse Burger truck was the fan favorite at the North Carolina Food Truck Championship down in Randleman. So, hey, I'll take that. I'll take fan favorite. I like it when people like the truck. That makes me a very happy person. Guys, thanks so much for watching. And if you haven't subscribed, please click the little subscribe button down below. You'll get alerts every time I post the daily vlog so you know when it's up to watch. Also, tomorrow's Father's Day, so be sure to wish Dad a happy Father's Day and spaz out.